Tia, and if you are new here, welcome. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but anymore I pretty much upload every single day, so you're going to want to subscribe. Today I have a collab video with a company from Amazon. I will link all the information below on the wig and where to get it and how much and all that. It's a company called OXLEEY, and I have not worked with them before. This is my first time. The wig came in this like so cute, this little bag, and the bag says, "Hello sunshine, you've been expecting me," and that's so cute. It does come with a wig cap and like a care card. So yeah, that's that. As far as the wig, this is cute. I will leave the description of what the wig is down below. This is definitely a non-textured wig. The density on this is pretty good. It is a silkier feel, so I did use some dry shampoo to like rough it up a little bit. It has a parting, it's not a free parting, but it's like a 4x4, so you could shift the part if you wanted to. I just left it in the middle because I like a middle part. There's a lot of lace in the front to work with. You could create baby hairs and things, and for some people you may want to glue this down. I don't glue my wigs down. If you didn't want to glue it down but you didn't like the flapping, you could easily just put a bobby pin there. I'll show you really quick. You could just easily pull this down and stick a bobby pin in, and then you'd have to cut this lace back, but then that would make it lay a little bit flatter there if you wanted. I'm not getting any shedding. The color is definitely a dark, medium dark brown. I'd say it's probably between like a number 6 and a number 4. I'm not sure how it's showing up in the lights. This is a black wig, so you can see that there is definitely a color difference. The wig cap is comfortable. It's a larger wig cap for sure. It's a mesh wig cap. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, it's a cute wig. If you had non-textured hair and you wanted something that was close to your natural hair texture, I think this would be great. If you have textured hair and you just want a wig that's really like sort of bone straight, but has some good movement and not a lot of like flyaways, because sometimes straight wigs can get a lot of flyaways, I think that you would like this as well. It's customizable, which I really like. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this wig. So let me know if you have bought wigs from this company before and what you think of them. If there's another Amazon wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I also have a whole Amazon wig playlist for those of you who may be a little nervous about buying wigs from Amazon. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.